If you have been in the Blender community for more than 5 minutes, you probably know Polyhaven. They are the legends providing high-end HDRIs, materials, and models for free under the CC0 license. But let's be honest, going to the website, downloading a zip, unzipping it, and manually setting up nodes every single time you need a new brick texture or a sky is a bit of a drag. That is where the Polyhaven Asset Browser add-on comes in. It turns their entire massive library into a native part of your Blender workspace. What makes this special isn't just the assets, it is the technical tools built into the browser. For instance, the Fix Texture Scale button is a lifesaver. Instead of you manually tweaking mapping nodes to get the scale of a wood floor right, the add-on looks at the real-world dimensions of the scan and adjusts it for your mesh automatically. Then there's the one-click displacement. Most of their materials are high-fidelity scans designed for real geometry displacement. Instead of hunting through render settings to enable adaptive subdivision and setting up a displacement modifier, you just click one button and the add-on handles the entire technical pipeline for you. The library itself is staggering. We are talking about unclipped HDRIs at resolutions up to 20K, PBR materials at 8K, and handcrafted models that often include multiple levels of detail, or LODs. This means you can have a high poly hero asset in the foreground and automatically switch to a lighter version in the background to save on render time. Plus, they have recently integrated geometry nodes for their grass and tree systems. You literally just drag a grass patch onto your terrain, and the geometry nodes modifier takes over to scatter it realistically. Now, here's the cool part about the business model. Polyhaven is a public asset library. While this add-on costs $69 here, it is also available for just $5 a month on their Patreon. They have a goal. Once they reach 5,000 patrons, they are going to release this entire add-on for free to everyone. By buying it, you are not just getting a tool, you are literally funding the liberation of the software and supporting the artists who make these free assets possible for the whole world. One quick heads up for those of you on the latest Blender builds, specifically Blender 5.0. The default import method was changed to pack, which can sometimes prevent you from editing asset resolutions or displacement. To fix this, just switch your import method back to append in the header of the asset browser. Honestly, if you do any kind of environment art or lighting work, this add-on is the ultimate quality of life upgrade. It takes the search and setup out of the equation so you can get straight to the create part.